What's happening, everybody out there on YouTube? Bryce Michael RC here today, and we have something very special for you guys. These right here, now dentures, the heat informed dentures. Go to denturerescue.com and check these out. I am doing a giveaway, which is in a previous video, so just go to my YouTube and click on, there's one of the videos that says giveaway, and then just follow the rules and leave me a comment that simply says, I want to be entered into the giveaway. Number two, I've been talking to Now Dentures, and I know that I've told you guys on previous videos that what I really wanted to do is do some type of a link where you could get like a percentage off or do something off, and I sent him this whole long email saying I'd love to do something special. And so far we're starting out. We're getting a starting point going. Okay, so if I'm gonna pin a link to the comments, I'm gonna leave a comment and I'm gonna pin a link to the comments that you guys can go into. And if you click on that link when you're buying your Now Dentures, you get an extra $10 off. So don't go on Amazon. Amazon is more expensive. It's like $200 per plate. So it's like $400 altogether. If you go to denturerescue.com, it's going to be like $10, $15 cheaper anyways. And then if you use either the code that's going to be in the comment, there's a code that you can use. I think it's YouTube BM or something like that, BMRC or something. I don't remember. It's going to be in the comment. So go to the pinned comment and check that out. You can either go to denturerescue.com, click on what you want, and then put in the coupon that's going to be in that comment, or you can just simply click on the link. I'm getting tongue-tied. Click on the link, and then you can get an extra $10 off. So $10, it's all I can do right now, but it's a start and it's awesome. I'm so happy that Now Dentures is a company that's willing to do something like this. I'd like to get them more involved and maybe become a sponsor of this channel or something, because I love these. They look amazing. I want to tell you something else too. One of the common misconceptions that I get from a lot of people, since these are the heat and mold, they fit absolutely perfectly in my mouth. I showed you guys eating apples. I eat whatever I want. I drink hot stuff. One of the common misconceptions is because you watched me form them in boiling hot water and all that different stuff. A lot of people think that you can't eat hot stuff. You can absolutely eat boiling hot stuff. You can drink hot ass coffee. I do all the time. The thing is when you drink coffee and you eat soup, you're not holding it in your mouth for like 10 seconds. And these things need like 10 to 15 seconds to activate that heat and form stuff. So you can eat all the hot stuff you want, all the tough stuff you want. It doesn't matter, because you're forming it perfectly to your mouth. These things are awesome. Go onto their website. They have, if you're wondering about the sizes and stuff, go onto their website. They actually have like their correct measurements and stuff. I've been told this in comments. I actually didn't go and check this out. I've been told in comments that you can actually go on the website, and if you can't find it, you can call the customer support and they will help you out and getting you the correct sizes. So these are the medium large. They have a small, medium, and I think they might have another size, but they sell them in individual plates, and they sell them in pairs if you want to. If you're going to get top and bottom, get it in the pair because they match up perfectly. Don't do what I did the first time, and I ordered 2 individual plates. They still worked out perfectly good. I mean, they worked out good enough that I got a whole nother pair, and I absolutely love them. I think they look good, and it feels good to smile again. So these are those Now Dentures. They've been absolutely life-changing, and I've got enough comments from people so they just want to smile again. And I do have a giveaway. That's the other thing. In case you're new to this video, most of the people that are my subscribers that are going to come over and watch this video are previously watched people. But if you're brand new and you see this video right here for the first time, make sure that you go over to check out my YouTube. Just click on my channel or something like that and go back, and there's a giveaway video. Just go over there and simply type in, I want to be entered in the giveaway, and that's it. Nothing else. I don't mind if you comment on the video itself and stuff. Just don't leave like a whole story. You can leave that here. You can leave that on any other video. Just on that video, just put, I simply want to enter the giveaway, and that's it. Something along that line, and then you'll be entered into the giveaway. So far, we've got a little over 100 people entered into the giveaway. Maybe we have 200. I don't remember, but like 100 people. A little over 100, between 100 and 200 people entered into the giveaway so far. So your chances are really good. So anyways, go over there, watch any one of those other videos. You're definitely helping out. If you go buy these, if you go to Denture Rescue and you do buy these, make sure they do ask on that how you found out about them. Make sure you tell them I sent you. use the code, use the coupon code, or use the link, and also let them know that I sent you, and that'll help out in future stuff. I told them they want to do some future stuff with me. I want to do some future stuff with you. We're just starting out with the $10 off for now. I did tell them that I really want to get with the inventor of these, the person who made them, and it is a doctor. So everybody who goes, oh no, you need a dentist, don't just be using anything you find off of Amazon. It is a doctor who created these. So that's really good to know that it, and I've actually seen on some of the comments that there are dentists and stuff, places that are using these as immediate dentures and stuff. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. These are actually used in the medical community. So they're safe, they're good. They've been researched. The guy who created them, they're super nice. I think his name's Jaffe, Jaffe. Jaffe or Jeff or something like that. We've only emailed each other. So anyways, we'll find out more. And I think I'm going to set up a live video thing with him where I can ask him any questions. So if you have any questions about the Now Dentures, make sure that you leave them in the comments. And whenever I interview Jeff, then Jaffe or Jeff, whenever I do interview him, then I can ask any questions that you guys want me to ask. Anyways, my name is Bryce Michael RC. We'll see you guys later. Have a good one.